Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload YouTube shorts from your mobile phone. So on your YouTube, you just click this plus icon in the middle at the bottom and then click create a short. And then just you can choose from your gallery or you could film, for example like this one. I'm just recording a random video, and then here at this side you will see different icons. The top one, you can actually use the front cam. The bottom one is like a dark mode feature, and then this one is a timer, and then the other one's like for the speed. You can change the speed of your video, and then you can click next, and then here you can add sound from YouTube. So here there are musics here that you could choose from, and then you can also add text. For example, this one you could change the font. There are different fonts here, and then you can change the style, and you can change the color as well. Another thing is you can edit the timeline. So for example, this text should only appear in a portion of the video. So this is actually quite fast. We can make the text appear longer, and then it will do so, like example. And then you could also add filters. So after that, you can just click next and add details. So details is just like a description for your shorts, and then you can edit if it's gonna be public, unlisted, and so on. You can change the audience. You can make it made for kids, and then you can also disable and enable the comments. And then after that, you can upload now your shorts from your mobile phone. That's it guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe.